In the heart of Africa, a nation is rewriting its environmental narrative. Rwanda, known for its resilient spirit, is embarking on a transformative journey to restore critical ecosystems. This is the story of Rwanda's Green Renaissance.
The government of Rwanda is committed to creating a sustainable future. By doing so, we are implementing policies that promote border-to-border reforestation, protect water sources, and encourage sustainable land management.
Restoration of ecosystems, in fact, is restoring the services, the benefits we get from the environment. And this goes from different sectors that is needed to restore biodiversity, which has been lost. There is need also to build the resilience to climate change, which is increasing.
Rwanda, a land of 1,000 hills, is home to a remarkable array of ecosystems, from dense rainforests to expansive savannas. However, decades of environmental challenges have taken a toll on these critical habitats. Deforestation, soil erosion, and water pollution threatened the delicate balance of Rwanda's ecosystems. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, Rwanda decided to take bold steps towards restoration.
30.4% of Rwanda is covered with forests. Furthermore, every year Rwandans plant millions of trees as part of an annual tree planting season with the common objective to maintain the forest coverage and increase their productivity.
From the bustling cities to the rural villages, communities across Rwanda are actively participating in restoration efforts. Tree planting initiatives, water conservation projects, and sustainable farming practices have become part of the daily routine.
The restoration of critical ecosystems is not just an investment in nature. It is an investment in the sustenance of life itself. At REMA, we are undertaking a border-to-border restoration through different ecosystem restoration projects to ensure a legacy of biodiversity, resilience, and harmonious coexistence with the natural world.
Through collective efforts, Rwanda is witnessing the resurgence of its once degraded ecosystems. The green shoots of hope are visible as vibrant landscapes and diverse wildlife make a comeback.
Ecosystem restoration offers the opportunity to improve health, well-being, and the quality of life for people by increasing the availability of green spaces and mitigating pollution.
Rwanda's Green Renaissance is an inspiring tale of resilience, determination, and hope. As the nation continues to restore its critical ecosystems, it serves as a beacon for the world, proving that with collective effort, even the most degraded landscapes can bloom again.
Let's join hands and commit to restoring our ecosystems. By doing so, we shall halt and reverse degradation, improve ecosystem services, and recover biodiversity.
Let us stand as stewards of the earth for biodiversity conservation and sustainability. It's a time for decisive action to preserve our ecosystems for a thriving future for all.